Cooperation means working together with others to achieve a common goal. It means we help and support each other so everyone can do their best. When we cooperate, we work as a team, understanding everyone has an important part to play. Cooperation helps me solve problems, complete tasks, and make decisions more easily. When I cooperate, we share ideas, skills, and resources, finding better solutions together. To be cooperative, I try to be supportive, trustworthy, and respectful. I listen carefully, wait my turn, and share my ideas kindly, even if others have different opinions. Sometimes cooperation means taking turns, sharing, or helping someone who is finding a task difficult. Other times it means asking for help when I need it because it's okay not to do everything alone. Working together often makes difficult tasks easier and more enjoyable for everyone. There may be times when working with others feels challenging because of different ideas or speeds. When this happens, I can stay calm, be patient, and keep communicating kindly, focusing on solutions. When I cooperate, I help create a positive and friendly environment where everyone feels included and valued. Cooperation builds trust, strengthens friendships, and makes it easier for us to work together in the future. The next time I work with others, I will remember to cooperate, listen, share, help, and encourage. By working together, supporting each other, and respecting everyone's contributions, we can achieve great things.